Welcome to Fix, and in today's tutorial we are going to be talking about how you can use your File Manager Plus app to connect from your phone to your laptop and transfer files between your phone and your laptop. In a previous tutorial, I talked about how important File Manager Plus app is and all the features that you can use the app for. So in that particular video, if you've not watched it, you can click at the top of the screen here, or check in my video section in this channel, and you are going to see that particular video. So I asked that if you're interested in one of the feature called access from network, that you can actually drop a comment, and I got a comment to do a video on access from network. Now, the access from network feature helps you connect your phone to your laptop via Wi-Fi and hotspots, and helps you transfer files easily. Now, this method is faster than Xender and is more reliable. So you should actually try it out. So let's jump right into the video and let me show you how you can use the File Manager Plus app using the access from network feature to transfer files from your laptop to your phone and from your phone to your laptop. So you open the File Manager app and click on access from network. Now on this page, you actually need to connect your phone first of all. So connect your phone and your laptop to the same hotspot or the same Wi-Fi connection. So here I will switch on my phone's hotspot and head on to my laptop to connect my laptop to my phone. Here we are connected. So you open the File Manager Plus app. After you've clicked on access from network, you click on start service. So now on this screen, we have three things you need to take note of. We have the FTP address, file transfer protocol address. We have the username, and we have a random generated password. Now you need to go to your file manager in your laptop, your file explorer rather, and input this FTP address in the address bar and click send. Input your username, input the password, and your laptop will be connected to your phone. Let me show you how you can do that. So because I already have it saved here before, I don't need to enter it again. So you need to type in that into the address bar, putting your username as PC and putting the password that you are seeing on your File Manager app on your phone, and click log on. Now this place that is displayed is your phone's device. So click on device and you will see the File Manager of your phone. So everything you are seeing here on the screen on your laptop is actually your very File Manager on your phone. So from here you can copy, you can delete, you can edit, you can do a whole lot of stuff with all your files. So let's do a simple file transfer from a laptop to the phone. So I'll pick a file. Let's say okay, there's nothing here. Let's transfer. Let's copy this Fix brand summary. So let's copy it. Now you can actually use two methods here. You can use the copy to folder method, or simply use the copy method. I love using the copy method. So you copy it and then you go to your document or anywhere you want to paste it in your laptop, and then you paste that file. Now look at the file. It didn't even take time. It just copied and pasted immediately, as if you were working on your laptop. But meanwhile, I copied this file directly from my phone, all right, to my laptop, and it did that in a split of seconds. So you can open it and you're going to see is simplified or Firefox brand summary. So now what we can do again, let me show you how you can copy files from your phone. Okay, we did from phone to laptop. Let me show you how you can copy files from your laptop to your phone. All right, so it's the same process, it's the same procedure, and it's pretty straightforward. All you have to do again is to go to the device section where you want to copy the files from. All right, now we want to copy files from the laptop. Remember, from the laptop to the phone. From the laptop to the phone. The first one we did, we copied from the phone to the laptop. So we want to copy from the laptop to the phone. So go to where you have the file you want to copy from in your laptop. So let's copy this file, record. Let's actually cut it. And then you go to the FTP page that displays the file manager of your phone. So you click on device. Now these are, like I said before, the files that are in your phone. So look for where you want to paste that particular file. Let's go to workspace, and let's go to Firefox, and then let's paste it here. So now I've pasted it here and I'll have to check my phone. Now if I check my phone, all right, I minimize this. Okay, I just have to go back, click on new files. Okay, I can't see it here. Let's just go back. And go through the main storage, workspace, Firefox, and then you'll see the file I pasted. Now this is the file I pasted from my laptop. So it's actually pretty cool, easy, and fast. So this is how you can actually transfer files both from your laptop to your phone and from your phone to your laptop using the Access from Network feature on File Manager Plus app. It is easy, it is fast, and it is very, very simple. And it gives you a very friendly user-friendly interface, pardon me, to work with. It looks as if you are just working on the same interface you work with on your laptop. So let me know in the comment section if you've tried this on your File Manager Plus and if you love it. And if you need me to create any other video around the File Manager Plus app or any other app at all that you are finding difficult to use, just drop it in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.